This is exercise 9.1, question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Let us see how to draw the figure for it. Here you see the height of the slide, that means this portion, is 1.5 meter. This one is the slide and the inclination angle of it with the ground is 30 degree, correct? And this angle will always be 90 degree here, because height and the ground, it will be perpendicular to each other. Let us see the second condition here. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. Let us see the figure for the second condition here. They are saying, okay, this way. This height is 3 meter and angle of inclination is 60 degree. This one is the slide. Okay, so these two figures are there according to the given situation. What should be the length of the slide in each case? We need to find out this length, this one and this one. Let us see the proper figures here. Right, here we need to find out length of AC and PR. We will make use of trigonometric ratios. So in the first figure, to get AC, I will use sine 30. So sine 30 degree, which is equal to opposite side, that means AB by here AC, which is the hypotenuse. Sine 30, everyone knows, it is 1 by 2, which is equal to AB is 1.5 by AC as it is. We'll do the cross multiplication. So AC, which is equal to 1.5 into 2, which comes as 3.0. So length of this smaller slide is 3 meter. Okay, let us see the second figure here. Here also, to get the length of PR, I will use sine 60 degree here. Sine 60 degree, which is equal to PQ by PR, opposite side by the hypotenuse. Sine 60 is what? Root 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 divided by PR. Once again here, we'll do the cross multiplication. So root 3 into PR, which is equal to 3 into 2. So PR, which is equal to 6 by root 3. We will rationalize the denominator. If you see here, denominator is irrational number, correct? We need to rationalize it. For that, we need to multiply and divide the number with root 3, which is equal to 6 root 3, and at the denominator, this root 3 and root 3, it will become root 9. It means that square root of 9 is 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are. So our answer comes as 2 root 3 meter. Correct? It means that the length of the smaller slide is 3 meter and length of the longer slide is 2 root 3 meter. Right? I hope all of you understood this one. Thank you.